Christ.
Okay.
Now the drama starts. Can we have one to assist us there who shall sit at the chair for proper demonstration? Should stand there. Now, this lady comes to Nicodemus. So I'm here to pay my taxes. Nicodemus is counting the cost of the taxes she pays for the previous year. This one is for the current year. Is it enough? No, it's not enough. It's not enough. Add something, add something. Bring, I want more from your money. Bring the tax, please. And then she brings Zacchaeus is sitting at the chair. Now the tax is fine. Thank you, go well. Yeah, I'm rich, I'm full of wisdom, yes. I'll put some on my bag. Now Jesus comes with his disciples. He passes by. And Zacchaeus tried to see Jesus. He was short. He ran. He sees a tree, climbed a tree to look for Jesus. He tries to find Jesus. Jesus sees Zacchaeus at the tree. He calls him to come to him. He comes. People were flocking Jesus, trying to find him. He find a way to Jesus. Why are you doing this to us? Jesus says, I want to visit your home today. The man welcomes Jesus into his home. Jesus sits, prepares the table for him. Now they are seated. I'm so happy that you visited my home. I'm so humbled. I have read. I'm opening my heart to you. I haven't done well. I think I was working as a tax collector. I was teaching people from the taxes, putting into my own bag. Now I want to bring everything out to them 4 times more. This is what I've studied from the people. Jesus stand up. Now Jesus and Zacchaeus goes out to the people. The people are so surprised. Why? This man is a stealer. He cheats people from our taxes. Jesus said, no, come people. This is also a good man. The God will bless him. This also is a seed of Abraham. Abraham is his forefather. Today salvation has come to this home. That's the end of our drama. Thank